So welcome back, and let's take a look at what you'll be expecting on our gold. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, share, like. Also, guys, click on the bell notification. Once you subscribe, first subscribe, then click on the bell notification. So once I drop an update next, you will not miss out on the next update that I'll be dropping for you guys. Now let's see what we'll be expecting on our gold by the way. Let's take a look at what gold is actually giving us and what we'll be expecting. Now let's start with our trend on gold. We know that before we take any trade, we would want to know the trend of that trade. Knowing the trend of that trade will actually help you in order for you to be able to predict what that movement will be doing. And we can clearly see that gold is in an uptrend move, meaning gold is a bullish move, right? Now, since gold is a bullish move, now start move. Let's start analyzing the movements. If this is our high on gold, this is our higher low. Then here comes the higher high. This is also our higher low. Then here comes the higher high, right? This is the um this is the higher low on gold. Then here comes the higher high, and gold has now eventually given us an higher low. So we all know that market tends to give us three movements. It's either we start having a series of higher high and higher low, which is an uptrend, or a series of lower low and a lower high, which is a downtrend, or market is literally ranging, which is a sideways movement. So take a look at this here, right? Market was ranged within this level, right? Once ranged within this level. Now, what markets range? The markets range within this level. Market is now doing the same ranging markets move again. So this is our level here. Market is now playing out, doing the ranging. So we had our first rejection here, and this is our second rejection, which is our support. Sorry, this is our second rejection here. We had this week. This is our third rejection. So this is our support level. So basically, once market drops to tap our support level, we tend to see it bounce up to tap our resistance level. So now this is our resistance level. So we are now anticipating for bullish move on gold. If gold comes back to a test support level, then expect it to actually give you that bullish move that will come to tap our resistance level. So above all, we are expecting to give us a bullish move. Say it taps this resistance level, right? So it's either we start having this bullish move from here where we currently are, or whereby gold can start giving us that bullish move and it will come to tap our resistance level, or gold is likely to drop a little bit to tap our support level, or we can now start anticipating for that buy and we push up, see it taps our resistance level. Above all, we are anticipating for a buy for the day on gold. Now, could there be any changes to this movement? Absolutely yes. But if there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys to know about those changes. So what you need to do now is just click on that subscribe button, like and share.